Dealing with app issues on Windows can be frustrating and disruptive to your workflow. However, with a bit of troubleshooting, many of these issues can be resolved in no time. So the first course of action after facing any kind of app-related issue on Windows should be running the built-in app troubleshooter. To run it, launch the Settings app, head over to System, select Troubleshoot, choose Other Troubleshooters, look for the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, and click on the Run option for it. You can also try to update the problematic apps, since app updates contain bug fixes, security patches, and new features that can address issues causing malfunction. You can install the latest available updates using the Microsoft Store if the program is available on the platform. You'd also try resetting the Cache app by launching the command prompt as administrator, type in the following command, then press Enter. Now you have to wait for the process to be completed, and once it is done, check if the issue is resolved. Now, to ensure smooth communication between software programs within the hardware components, you must make sure that the relevant drivers are up to date. Do it by opening Device Manager, right-click on your network adapter, then select Update Driver. And those are the 4 ways on how you can fix applications not working properly in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.